How to disable Smart Shuffle on Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off or disable Smart Shuffle in Spotify. So let's get right into the video. Before starting, just make sure that you are using an updated version of your Spotify. You must have premium account in order to disable or enable your Smart Shuffle. Now just open your Spotify application and tap on your library option in the bottom right corner. Now just click on any playlist and here you will see this type of icon in your screen. So if the icon is green with stars on it, that means the Smart Shuffle is enabled on your Spotify. Now to disable it, just click on the green icon once and you will see the message appearing on the bottom of your screen saying the recommendation has been removed, which means that the Smart Shuffle has been disabled on your Spotify. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.